Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Dwayne says over Yasa uncensored, so you can talk whatever you want in the comments. You don't need talk and censor your stuff. It's uncensored, so whatever you say is okay. So he's dissecting another video, and him just want people to comment and everything on that. But as usual, when I watch the video now, for yourself, see what he's talking about, and then comment, like, share, subscribe too, because that good.
On the ears all on the ear. Listen keenly. I'm Mr. Mina Black the now on the talk on the mind. I don't want to no cuss, I cater. Over here something is uncensored. I'm not censored now no. Talk on the mind. I hold on the peace. Who want cuss? Who no cuss, who no want cuss. I don't cater. I'm not censor. None of you know. You understand? Wanna listen good?
You can know.
No, whatever they play the part with Julia and Blacker than when the people then bring them down the yard, and that them a play right now. But I'm saying, listen, when you chat and the thing, don't want to chat, we don't cater. I don't be a play, I never play. Move face a little. Come off with the page, come off. Backside, come off.
Oh, Blacker and Julia, Blacker and Julia is here.
This is none of my opinion, and the people might do them thing. Oh, no, don't mix me. Don't mix me. Even though I love people business.
I apologize because this morning, when I apologize to you, I apologize to Julia. This morning, we did apologize to, and I said, allegedly, if Julia pregnant, Julia should be done, or Julia feel pregnant, and the help her. So I mean, if you take up on me, I call and I come on the live, and I cuss, and I say, alright, because fair enough she can get pregnant, but allegedly it leave a bad taste for my program.
Why?
The people no want help nobody baby mother again when you make it the boom bad. Me no know they never call Julia. Well Julia come out and say, me see no way about that thing everybody feel for rant, because me a woman rant. But when Julia go look for me today and make me look like me a lion, when we talk about the board and you say you take up for your baby mother.
Alright, me can't get it.
Julia, Tommy remember say Tommy call him, Tommy did call her the night from England.
The same following.
There when me tell her what happened, and you said to her, said, and you bitch she can't keep on the life to her because me did so upset as she called me
I
them.
never told you that I was renting you.
No.
I said my baby father send the bike to buy the board, so when you don't know, in return, you can rent it. Rent back the board them and do what you want to do with the board them. It's not me the board them belongs to. I'm in the board them belongs to.
Julia, remember say, when we call you, right? I said to you, I said, Julia, me not a little problem, in the night me call you, why you remember? I said to you, I said, Julia, me not a little problem with some board out here. And I turn to you, and I say, I look at this house me and me run out of board. We can get some board. They say, one man, the man will come take them down and dip on the house here. Remember?
Go ask the people them, Kimmy. You can ask me, girl.
I have to ask the man if we can get them.
We saw the speaker, the man of Prevol on the piece.
The one where you take them to, remember, it is some big one. I turn to you and I say,
Me not black now, no.
We started a race to continually evolve our hybrid electric.
Alright, my 2 cents in this. Since you, Donna Marie, go up a repentant road, as I speak in the week that you're supposed to call all of them and apologize to them, then you see God's face, and I see it a manifest. You need to call Julia and her baby father and make sure you make Julia say, them you wasn't there. Make sure Julia and her baby father say, Donna Marigo was not there. And remember this one you were a gunman you sent for them, yes. So make sure when you call them and not do the apology to, you bet them say you wasn't there. Here, make sure them say you wasn't there. Make sure you know. Because all of them will talk if you come back and say you wasn't there. But the good thing, them admit to what they get. So make sure when Julia them come, because I'm going to pity brown man dead that you may never find his wife. Right? Because I apologize to them too. But you can't apologize to the dead. Or I hope you tell God. So God brown man dead, me not go get the chance to apologize to him. To get him beaten. So make sure, since Julia and her baby father are alive, make sure when them come, you tell them, say, tell the world, tell the public, you was not there. You don't know about it. Make sure, you know. Make sure they are alive, me see, Julia and the baby father, and them fear say, you never did it. I lie people I tell. You never did that. People say so. Make sure. Make sure of that. Say them come, say a liar. Donna Marigo was not there. A people are talking.
Big one then. So Donna, I'm a baby father selling bike and buy the board them. And I said, no, Julia, the program by your board.
Yeah.
We just have borrowed them to fix. I said, Miss Donna, the little miss, I get her.
I hope she wasn't here. I hope she wasn't here.
Thank you. Julia.
You hear that? Order in a court.
You never use the word work. You never use the word work. You say everybody will get them donation.
I said to you, I'm talking fair and true. I said to you, is my donation.
Yeah.
That I get, I use
I'm buying the board. And I said, Julia, you can't tell me that it's a program. So you should have
When me go upstairs, that's the airport that time you go up. Me know why you turn criminal. Go! Me turn it down. Come there with me now. Upstairs!
You tell Paula to tell me say you have me out.
No, me tell Paula say me vex so me can't talk to you. Me Paula never tell us say me have you. Me tell Paula say tell Julia say me I no talking. Cause me head cheap. Because when you are going to tell me that, but the boy when me put for help you understand? And me say, Julia, and me tell Tammy was so surprised.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So, I saw, but Julia, me done all for that, me accept your apology, and if me hurt you, me sorry for what me said this morning, I'm gonna say nothing wrong.
Yeah, right. Oh, you fix. Oh, yeah. What kind of sorry that?
Alright. Everything bless. I never know from your house like that, and obey the father of house. The people them from the website come and come see the people them who are stranger. When I come from nothing, you tell me say a beer style, you are standing from money. Me can't talk about them upon the life. Because the people them slay away me since night. You don't remember where I come from. You say me ungrateful to you and never help you with a good idea. Remember you never come back to me, come ask me to help you, you know. And me a pass and see you sit down, you know. Yeah man, me apologize. You can't go on now, me go. She go, you know me go now. Everything is maybe on our side. Yeah, man, you know, yeah, man. Yeah. Don't it this way. You don't make nothing to Julia, don't make nothing. Please, me, I'm begging. I go here into thanks. Do. Yeah, man, bless. Yeah, man. Yeah, bless you.
When you deliver to them, what the people we can't understand enough.
Wicked.
Why don't they have to answer them? Why? When I say nothing, I shut my mouth. When I say nothing, I don't talk in the comments.
Look for wickedness. This is how it look. Look for wickedness. This is how it look. Watch it. Jesus. This man who help me. Look for wickedness. That's how wickedness look. That's how wickedness look. Hold on, memories.
Like I muzzle my mouth. And I say I would.
Alright, you can call and keep it short.
So what I go on people? I want to say good morning, see, good afternoon, good evening, and more blessings to the people. That's God.
Yeah, watch your face. Wicked.
I want to say give thanks to Father God for health and give thanks to Father God for strength. See?
Poverty.
No, I don't know, so I come.